Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix some websites not loading opening in any browser issue Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet. Click Proxy, turn on Automatically Detect Settings, click Edit, turn off Proxy Server. Second method is type ncpa.cpl in Windows search bar, click ncpa.cpl. Right-click Network Adapter, click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, click Properties. 8.8.8.8.8.8.4. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type netsh space, int space, ip space, reset. Type netsh space, winsock space, reset. Exit and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.